a little special individual in our neighborhood who supports breast cancer and is gonna run down the street halfway naked. We're gonna try to get her in her panties. Yeah. Some good.
What is that?
It's tie-dye.
Is it?
It's just gonna stay on.
It's gonna stain her
It
skin.
already did, so it's all cool though. It's all. No, it's not.
You better go get
Oh well.
Well, then you better make sure you get it evenly around your body. Okay, well, let's go see her run. She's going to do a race for breast cancer. Since she's such a lard, she's not going to do 2 miles. She's going to do
Wait, I am?
Can you get out?
2 inches.
First call, Mom.
We were cleaning our neighbor's garage, but
See here, buddy.
this is what happens when you try to help somebody.
I love rubbing my stomach. It looks like a fucking pink Oompa Loompa. Oompa Loompa doopity-doo. Let me make sure it gets down my butt crack just in case my pants fall down. You can tell I go to the gym a lot.
Oh my god. The race for breast cancer.
Now what to do?
For her. This is all for her.
We're racing for breast cancer.
Did she seem disappointed?
No.
I think not. Run!
Wait, stop. Real
Come on,
fast.
really well.
What'd you go in there and say?
Okay.
Did you
I
tell?
said, I need your advice. I said, well, April needs you. She wants to show you something.
You said, oh, yeah, April needs you. So she, oh my gosh, now they know my fucking name.
You asked me what I said. No.
Yeah, specific. Specific. Damn. Give me camera. Give me camera.
No, back up off the
I
camera.
just want to give you a kiss. Yeah, I gotta fix my.
Give me kiss. Give me kiss.
Give me un beso.
She got it on my shirt. Say bye, YouTube.
Wait, YouTube. Wait, YouTube.
Wave to YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.
Wave.
Here,
The
wait.
camera's up
Oh,
here.
buddy, wait. No, I'm just kidding.
Wave to camera.
Where's camera?
Up.
Oh, hi, camera.
Say bye, camera.
I have the most beautiful teeth.
Say bye, camera. Back the fuck up. Bye, camera.
Bye, YouTube.
Okay, say bye, YouTube, Nick. Bye, YouTube. That's an ugly ass fat bitch color pink.